Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going back on the grind for that large accessory bag. Yes, that's literally my entire grind on this series right now. But this series is not like an Iron Man on like Hypixel. It's just a normal, but on some stuff we gotta grind them, okay? We are not gonna buy everything. But this something I wanna see. We left this redstone minion and I wanna see how much it made. I think it made about 1 enchanted redstone block. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I really hope it made a redstone block. No, but it made a lot of enchanted redstone. Wait, we can use this to make another redstone minion. Dude, I'm literally so smart. Well, actually, nah. We're putting this in big storage. But to get a big storage, we need a lot of chests. Yes. Okay, let's get about a stack of oak wood. Actually, no. We need more than a stack. We need 2 stacks. You're probably wondering why 2? Because I literally want to, okay? For some reason I accidentally... Okay. No! Why? I only want 2, dude. No, what am I doing? There we go. We already got a stack. Let's get another stack. And another stack. And another stack. So basically right now we're making a stack of chests. And let's make half a stack of chests. Because we need some storage, guys. Why did I just do that? Why? Just why? Okay, there we go. Boom. Let's make all the possible chests we can make. There you go, 32. And sell all of this to the merchant. And yes. Wait. We first of all got to put the storage. What am I doing? Ayo, what the heck? Oh, well, just a visual glitch. Okay, boom. No, what the heck? Stupid zombie. Okay. For some reason, these chests are glitched. But who cares? Okay, boom. There we go. Put an iron there. Okay. There. And there. Boom. And for the finishing touches, first of all, let's just put all the redstone in there. Okay, there's so many mobs. Oh my god, I need to go up something. I need to go up on something. Ooh, my storage. Oh, okay. I forgot spiders can climb, but who the fuck cares? Okay, there we go. Let's quickly sell this. Let's do some more dungeons. Okay, we are not doing a lot. Let's just do an entrance. Find the part. Actually, nah. Let's do floor 1. Is SBA helpful in dungeon? I don't know what he's talking about. But let's play a floor 1 with these 2 people. We have 1 mage, which is me, and 2 berserkers, which is them. Okay, time to do a lot of damage with my flower of truth. Okay, there we go. Come on, go, go, go. 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, boom, boom. Bruh. Are you literally kidding me? At least I got a milestone. Oh, there's so many mobs in here. I'm about to kill them all with my fireball. Okay, go, go, go. Actually, never mind. I quit the dungeon. I'm done. /p leave. Then I go /hub. Why? Boom. And you're all about to die. Oh my god. And I almost died myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did I make that sound? That was so cringe. Oh my god. Dude, how much skeletons and zombie grunts are we going to fight, dude? Ha! Finally. Okay, wait. That is not good. Ooh, easy cake. Wait, there's one of my... Oh, okay. That is a lot of zombies. Although there is one of my teammates here, which I could help. Let's hope. Okay. Boom. There we go. Ooh. We barely survived. Why is this singular one always spawning? There's one shooting me right now. Okay, wait. Let's go for it. Let's just go for it. Boom. Die. Okay, there we go. Boom, die. This flower of truth is really good. Wait, it dropped something. Oh, it dropped enchanted rotten flesh. Okay, time to continue the dungeon. Okay, wait. Why is this glitched? Oh, I found the secret. It's already been searched. Yay. That is the dumbest thing that could possibly happen. Okay, I can't teleport. That makes it even worse. Wait. Let's just kind of go for it. Oh my god. Please. Okay. I'm done. I'm not playing that dungeon anymore. But there's something I do want to do is get a little bit more of accessories. Like the healing talisman, which requires 2 stacks and 16 lily pads. Okay, wait, let's just go here, mob jobs, lily pad. A stack is 10k? Dude, that is so much money for literally one accessory. Like that just I don't understand it. Hey, just look at me. Never mind. We just gotta grind for the rest of the money that we need. But I know a really good money making method up my sleeve. And that is literally just going here at the end and literally just fight Enderman. Boom. You're dead. Dead. Dude, my setup is cracked. Die, Enderman. Die. Kill him. Come on. Good. There you go. Boom, kill it. Kill that one as well. That one. Boom. And oh my god, if we get an ender piece, we just hit the jackpot, okay? Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, we need 100k more experience, and then we'll get a new combat level. I don't know which. I think we'll get combat 21. I'm not sure. Oh, no. Oh, there's a unique one. I really need you. Oh my god. We got a really rare drop. We literally have more money that we need. Okay, let's sell all of that. You're probably wondering, that's worth nothing. 10k right there, so 16k. Mob jobs, lily pad, buy. Okay, 16, quick. Gotta do this quick. So, once we craft it, the video ends. Okay, it feels so good to have finally another accessory. Now we just reforge it, and that's the end of the video. Okay, boom, blacksmith, demonic nose. Come on. There we go. Hurtful. Now that's basically it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on post notifications, like, and see you next time.